front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration. Then you need to scroll down and click on Vibrate Vocals. Now apply one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one, Always Vibrate or Never Vibrate. Then tap on Haptics and Sounds. Select Haptic Feedback section and tap on this switcher next to Haptic Feedback to enable or disable it. If you decided to enable this option, you can adjust intensity of vibration feedback thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!